Hey everybody, welcome to RC World. Today, I've been waiting for it for a very long time, and I finally have gotten it. I'm going to install the Redcat Fossa ESC, the new ESC. I don't know how the old one got messed up, but I'm going to show a little bit of trick to protect this more from water, because I think that's the problem. And if you want to enhance more protection, don't drive in the rain. But here we go. As you can see here, we have the old ESC, and you can tell that they put waterproof coating, so that's a really good thing. But something still went wrong in here, so there's nothing I can really do about that. It goes in this little box housing right here, as you can see. I hope you guys can see that. And I can actually see that it's starting to break, which doesn't make sense at all. Don't know why it's doing that. Well, nothing a little duct tape can't fix. And most of the problem could be this stupid switch that they put on here. Which is, I would love to have a new switch, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this old one, too. What I'm going to do with it. So, what we're going to do first is take this switch off. I don't know if it's going to come off easy. Open the new ESC. Of course, I need scissors, and I don't have any, but just our bags. I'll just tear it open a couple of times. How long is it going to take me to open this bag? There we go. Okay. There we go. Fresh, nice new ESC. Doesn't it look nice for now? Favor your brand new ESCs right now when you're repairing this, because it ain't going to look this nice in maybe a couple days. And you can tell that it's hard to see, but it's the exact same one as that one. So it seems like on the switch that the little thing slides out, so we're going to have to do some work on that, because it looks like the factory decided that they were going to glue it in, which is stupid. I got the switch off. It kind of just peeled out, and it looks like the two little bars here are still there, so that's good. As you can tell that on yours, if you're fixing this right now along with me, that the thing kind of peeled off here, and it seems to go right back on. We're going to cover that hole, though. I know I keep talking about that hole, but we're going to cover this hole. But it seems to fit kind of nicely on there. I'm not the biggest fan of it. It doesn't seem to seal so good, which is, you know, I guess. You probably took off 2 long screws kind of like this. I'm hoping those are it. So we have a sticky pad here, okay? We're going to want to take this sticky pad off. It's no good anymore after you take it off, usually. This piece, I know the top's off, but this piece faces directly in here like that. I think I might face it this way because it looks like it goes that way the best. So, as you can see now, I hope you guys are able to see that on my big hand in the way. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to, hope you guys can see this. That's okay. It's a little bit crooked because you might take it out again sometime. Now I'm checking this. We're looking good clearance on the wires there. That's a good go right there. The switch goes right here on the top piece. It's going to slide right in here on this little piece. Alright guys, so I have the battery here. We're going to test this. Let's hope it doesn't blow up. Controller, battery power's on that. Please don't blow up. I'm serious. Okay everybody, this is a very important thing I just figured out, okay? There is no pairing button on the controller or the ESC. You just turn the controller on first and it automatically binds. I'll show you right here. I'm going to flip on the switch. You see the servo twitch and it twitches back. There you go. I'm for real about this, see? There we go. I'm going to get the motor up and running here shortly. Oops. Okay. Seems like it actually started figuring itself out. Seems to be doing pretty good. I'm checking the temperature because my heat sink almost, that's how mine lit up on fire almost. Seems to be doing okay, I guess. I mean, it's backwards. My thing is backwards. But that's okay. Switch these around. Yellow right here is to black. Make sure they're properly connected inside. And they're just like this. We're going to do the same thing for this one. I'll push it almost all the way over. As far as you can get it. No, now it's in the right position. It's not going backwards like I said before. It's actually going in the right position. So when you goes forward, you know, yeah. Oh, and it just went in. You see how it went in here? It's gonna kind of curve over like that. You don't want to bend that too much. And then okay, I got it. So it's gonna come out the hole. It's gonna come out the side right here. It's a little bit tough for some reason. I don't know why. I'm going to pull it on it just a little bit. See if we can get it to have a little bit of play. Alright, it's going to slip under here. And I'm sorry you guys didn't see that just now. You guys can see right here, I'm trying my best with this camera. I do not have a good quality camera. There's these little holes on the sides right here. This wire is supposed to the servo wire is supposed to weave in between them. Which is, and it just weaved in between. You can see on here, they're supposed to weave in between right here, but that's not happening. It doesn't seem like it would do that. But I'm just going to set it right in there. See how it is like this right now? That's in there. Now, as you see, when you first have your Redcat Fossa ESC, it's going to face the other way. I don't remember which way it faced, because it's just, and it seems to work really good this way. Alright guys, I got as close as I could to having this bottom down right here, but my Allen key's messed up and the screw I think is actually starting to strip, so I'm not going to I'm not going to shove it all the way down in there because there's still hope for getting it out. I don't want to tighten too much. It's not moving too bad. I'm still going to put pieces of tape on the edge. It seems to be moving more over here than it is over there for some reason. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape on here. I'm going to put it on in there. Just like that. You saw how I put the tape in there? Turn the camera here. I know you guys can't see the angle, but I'm putting tape right here and there. So I put the tape right next to the hole, covering the hole, so that when water sprays up from when the front wheels turn and they spray water up inside, that water doesn't shoot up in there. Alright, that's all I wanted to show. Okay, after I showed you that, I'm actually going to put one more piece of tape over here. I want to just realize that the switch has to go on the other way, so it works out. Because it's going to go on, slide on just like that. And there you go, you got your switch right on there. Slides right on. The other one was glued on from the factory, so this one pops right back off. Easy, simple replacement. And in the next video, I will show you how to I'm gonna drive around, and that'll be the next video, the drive on with the new ESC. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Links to my other channels will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.